can have the best video quality, but if your audio sucks, no one will listen to it.
This is an example before
recording this yak to see what noise cancellation, noise removal, just recording this yak to see what noise cancellation, noise removal, noise suppression.
and this is another example after using this AI. This AI tool you see on the screen is going to help you to remove your background noise and enhance your speech. With this AI tool, you don't need to wait hours to clean your voice audio. First, you need to sign up. So you're gonna go right here, click on sign up. You have the option to sign up with your Google account or just your email. To choose your file. Click here on choose file and you can choose whichever file you want. I'm gonna choose this one, for example. Next step you have to do is to go and enhance your audio. So to do so, you're going to go to the right, click on right here, audio volume, and reduce background noise. So when you finish this one, you can choose the intensity you wanted for your audio and you're going to apply to your audio. So the next AI tool on the list is for a voiceover. We want to create realistic voice over using your text to speech. Revoicer is an amazing AI tool with realistic AI voice for your YouTube video, but you need to have the pay version to take advantage of all those beautiful features they have. Instead, let me show you this AI tool. Is called Play.ht. This AI tool is free and have a lot of features you can imagine. From voice cloning to text to voice, pronunciation, and many more. Sign up is very easy. You can just go right here at the top where it says try it for free, or you can simply start right here, create a free do an example and listen to the voice on this AI tool.
Silicon Valley Bank was the 16th largest bank in the US at the time of its failure.
You see guys, those voice sounds very realistic too. Now let me show you how you can create your own audio. So first thing you have to do, you have to go here, first step, you can click on this one here, option to choose a standard voiceover, or if you want something more realistic. So I'm gonna go for realistic voiceover. We're gonna click on this one here and it's gonna send you to this page here. Of course, you have to enter a script. I'm gonna use the same script that I used for this video. Now let's listen to the voice. So
first step, you need to sign up. You can sign up with Gmail or direct to your email address. Second, fill in that information right here. You have to understand that the design will be different on your phone. Next, choose your file. It can be an audio file or video, and the AI will compress it for you and make it compatible with you.
Guys, it sounds very human, you know, with the tone and the pause, you know, with different intonation. This is the AI tool you want to be able to use. Forget Jasper. Show you something more interesting. You can just go right here and you have the option to choose which voice you want. If you want to go far with this one, you can even clone your voice here, and let me show you how to do it. When you will go to the link in the description, you're gonna see at your left side, you're gonna see voice cloning. You're gonna click on this one right here, clone your voice. So when you go here, you're gonna click the AI tool is gonna give you the option to upload the file that you already did. So you can just go right here, put the name, and you're gonna be able to upload that here. And guys, this AI tool is free. It's very expensive in other websites like Descript. So you see here you have $12 per month, $24 per month. So now if you want to record your video or podcast without worrying about background noise, the next AI tool is gonna help you with this. I want to show you this. I really appreciate that you take few seconds because it's gonna be the only way for us to know enjoy this not really content to miss the next video. If you recorded your video or your voice in the past and you have some people around you, your voice may sound like this.
I've prepared a short report about our accomplishments for the previous quarter.
With Crisp, this is how your voice gonna sound like.
Quarter. Let me share my screen and show it to you. So here is the general overview of what we have achieved over the past few months.
To use this AI tool, you have to go right here and sign up. So you can go just right here, click on Crisp for free. You're gonna click on this one right here. You have the option to sign up with your Gmail account or your email directly. Next step, you're gonna have to download the app on your Mac or your Windows. After this, you're gonna see the step to install this app on your computer. So lastly, this AI tool is see on the screen. In the description, you're gonna go right here where it says start creating for free. You're gonna click on this one. Sign up process is very simple. You're just gonna have to go here, click on sign up with Google or email, and your dashboard is gonna look like this. Beethoven.ai is gonna let you create the free music for your video. So first, you're gonna have to choose new track, and you're gonna be able to put some information here and go next. See, you're gonna be able to choose whichever you want it. You have different options. Lastly, you want to choose which emotion you want to give to your viewers. You know, as a YouTuber, sometimes when you do a video, it's very good to have an emotion to your video. So you want to be able to choose. If you choose here scary, for example, and you see it's going to generate the audio for you.
It was going to be a shame that I do all of those videos and without showing you those two AI tools. The first one is called Adobe Podcast. Adobe Podcast is an AI tool is going to help you to generate very great audio file. This is how it works. Have access to it, you're gonna have to go right here where it say request access. You're gonna click on this one and it's gonna send you to this form here where you have to enter some information. When you finish to enter the information, they're gonna send you the link and you're gonna be able to start using the next one that I wanted to show you. If you were expecting to start a podcast and you wanted to spend money on isolate your room, so if you were expecting to spend money on isolate your room, check this AI tool before, because this AI tool is going to really help you to isolate your voice. I'm going to go right here where it say browse a file. You're going to go here where it say browse. You're going to click on this one to be able to browse your file, and you can choose whichever file you want. Here you have the option, you can be able to use whichever format you want it, and even if you want it as an MP3 or as a WAV, you can be able to get it. And the last step is going to be able to extract. You're going to click on this one as a, and if you check in the description, you're going to be able to see this AI tool also called Clean Voice. Going to really help you to record your audio file. And the last one that I have on the list, and I trust you guys with this one, is a secret. It's called Music LM. Music LM is going to help you to generate your music from text. You can pretty much using for your YouTube channel. For example, if you want to create a YouTube based on motivation speaking, you can be able to use the song here. You're going to create your own or sport, and to be able to use the song here as a music if you want it. So now let me ask you, which of those AI tools you found that more interesting? So I'm gonna do another video with one of those AI tools. So write in the comment which AI tool you like, so I can be able to do an entire video about it. And box. You know guys, when I started to make money online, I saw, but the reality is a lot of those videos, they don't make money online using Swagbucks. So I decided to try the platform by myself, document all the process, so I can recommend to someone like you who want to make money online, take care of his family, and if you have any dream you want to be able to fulfill. First thing you got to know about this platform, guys, this is not a rich quick scam. Look for a way to make money online very fast, this is not a platform for you. You don't want to watch this video. But if you're looking for a way to make money online and willing to wait to get your money back, this might be the best video you want to be able to.